Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are rolling on into part 3 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups videos. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just in case anybody's missed it, I've already uploaded a ton of other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We have a full glitch list with like 30 glitches on it. We had a huge penny list with surprise pennies. Plus, I have already uploaded several other clearance event videos for you all. We've already went over tons and tons and tons of deals with coupon matchups. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you have never been to a Dollar General clearance event, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, or if you just have some questions about the Dollar General clearance events, make sure that you go and check out my video, How to Shop the Dollar General Clearance Events. I give you guys all of my pro tips, all of the tips and tricks that you could ever ask for, and I answer the most frequently asked questions in that video. So make sure that you go and check that one out. It's also going to be the first video linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in and take a quick look at all of these items that are going to be included in this weekend's clearance event. Now, a lot of these items are brand new items, just recently added to the clearance markdowns, so make sure that you guys watch the video all the way through. Now, for this video, I decided to go ahead and combine about 3 or 4 different categories. That way I wouldn't have to make 3 or 4 small, short videos. So the first part of this video you guys are seeing right now, we have some different pet foods, snacks, pet supplies that are going to be included in this clearance event. Up next, we have kind of a random household category. We've got some little baskets, trash cans, curtains, command hooks, all kinds of goodies. And then we also have as seen on TV products, as well as the automotive products. And then at the end, we're going to take a look at the baby category. So there is a lot included in this video. Now, like I said in the video earlier today, your girl's kind of been feeling under the weather, but I'm really trying to power through for you all. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, because the goal is we still have 2 big categories to go over with some really good coupon matchups. So I'm going to try to have both of those done and out for you guys tomorrow. And then we'll probably have a video coming out first thing Friday morning as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, before the stores open. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned, turn on those notifications. I also have a couple of YouTube shorts that I'll be putting out as well. So, I have a lot of content coming at you all. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And also, don't forget that you guys can adjust the playback speed of these videos by clicking on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner of your screen. You can then go down, click on playback speed, speed it up, or slow it down however you would like. Now, also, before I turn on a little background music and let you guys check out all of these items, I do want to remind everybody that all of these items will be included in the clearance event this weekend. They will be an additional 50 or 70% off depending on your store. Now, also, I've already seen this question asked a couple of times, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it here, even though it is included in that How to Shop clearance event video with all those tips and tricks. Don't miss out on all of that information, you guys. Go check out that video. But I have been asked a couple of times, will these items automatically be scanning and ringing up at the register the additional 50 or 70% off starting on Friday? And the answer is, for the majority of the items, I'm going to go ahead and say yes. You should be able to scan them with your Dollar General app on Friday, and they should show up at 50% off. Unless your store is a 70% off store, then they should show up at 70% off. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that there are thousands upon thousands upon thousands of Dollar General stores across the United States, and there are thousands upon thousands upon thousands of items that are going to be included in this clearance event. So, is there a chance that some of these items might still ring up or scan at full price? Absolutely. There are just some items that are kind of weird in the Dollar General system and they haven't fixed it yet. So it is possible that you might run across some items that still will ring up full price. And if you do have that issue, if the item is marked or if the item is in the clearance section, most of the time, at least in my experience, the employees don't have any issues with manually adjusting that down at the register. But you do have to ask the employees. That will be up to them whether or not they want to manually adjust that down for you. Alright guys, now we're already almost halfway through this video, so I'm going to turn on a little background music and I'll be back with y'all here in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, so we have now made it to the end of part 3 of our Dollar General clearance event videos. And like I said, don't forget I'm going to try my best to have 2 more videos with 2 huge categories ready to go for y'all tomorrow. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.